Ever locked out of your Cash App account with that frustrating "we couldn't verify this account belongs to you" error? Don't worry, we've all been there. This video will break down exactly how to get back into your account so you can send and receive money without a hitch. The most common reason for this message is incomplete or incorrect personal information. Cash App needs to be absolutely certain you are who you say you are first. Let's go over the basics. Double check that your full legal name, mailing address, date of birth, and social security number or ID, whichever you use during SigNup, are entered precisely as they appear on your official documents. Even a small typo can trigger verification issues. If you're unsure, carefully review your initial SigNup information. Sometimes, the app might require you to re-enter or update a specific piece of information. Look for any prompts within the app that guide you to correct details. If your information is already spot on, the problem might lie with your identification documents. Cash App might need you to verify your identity further. This usually involves uploading clear, well-lit photos of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, and sometimes a selfie to match. Ensure your ID is not expired, is not damaged, and all four corners are visible in the photo for the selfie. Make sure your face is clearly visible, well lit, and without any obstructions, like sunglasses or hats. The app usually provides specific instructions on how to take these photos. What if you've tried all of that and you're still stuck? It's time to reach out to Cash App support directly. Navigate to the support section within the app or on the Cash App website. You can often start a chat or send an email detailing the issue you're facing. When you contact support, be prepared to provide them with your cash tag, the email address and phone number linked to your account, and a clear explanation of the error message you're receiving. They can offer personalized assistance and potentially resolve the verification lock from their end. By carefully checking your information, providing clear identification, and knowing when to contact support, you'll be back to making smooth transactions in no time. Stay verified and happy sending with Cash App.